Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I know exactly what's in here because I know who sent it. Really excited to share with you guys. This is overdue. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please, make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. This took just a little bit, and sorry, all this is to hide the shipping info that's all over this thing. We'll just cut straight down here. Don't want to cut too deep into it because it's a fairly shallow box. Yeah, so I've already looked at a version of this, and I showed this on the channel one time, but I've actually yet to review it because the sample that I had to go back. So this is the Zero Tolerance. It's been a long time, guys. Zero Tolerance 0308 BLKTS, or Black Tiger Stripe in CPM 20CV. This right now, in my opinion, is Zero Tolerance's best knife. I have reviewed the standard 0308. You can check that review out if you want to. I do want to do another video talking about this and talking about ZT. This knife has wonderful, wonderful action, big and robust. Obviously, a sort of ode to, kind of makes me think of the 0300 series knives. I love the alligator texturing. I love the black titanium, and I'm a big fan of the Tiger Stripe blade. They agreed to send this to me, GAW USA. Really, really cool, and I'm going to let you guys know that I'm going to do a video on this, but the intention here was to give it away. So this is this is a reveal of one of the other knives that I'm going to be giving away. You guys know that I've also got a couple of Spyderco M4 smocks to give away, and some other things that have yet to be revealed. That's going to occur when I hit 60,000 subscribers. We'll probably do a live event. I will include details on how to enter when the time comes. So if you're not subscribed, make sure that you're subscribed so that you know when that day comes. I just want to celebrate and say thank you. I've got a lot of really cool stuff to give away, and I don't want you guys to miss out. This is really cool, and I gotta admit, I would love to keep this thing for myself, but you know, GAW USA was kind enough to offer something up to give away. So thank you very much for doing that. I truly do love this model, and we're definitely going to be talking about that. So you can expect the video, you know, it'll be pre-recorded, so the video you see may actually take place after I've already given it away, but I will definitely do a video on this guy. I really, really like it. If you've never seen, you know, they've got the hole all the way through, which I don't mind at all. Some people say like, oh, it's a way for debris to get into the pivot. Yeah, well, so is on every single knife. So is this area back here, the top, the front. It's all, you know. Yeah, this guy is centered up. No detent lash. Absolutely rock solid lockup. I love that texturing on the titanium side. One of the only things I don't really like is the pocket clip, right? But I think you might have a few choices for different clips. This is really, really cool. That blade shape and the cutting geometry on this is so much better than its 0300 series predecessors. So is that the right word? Yeah, well, whatever. It's not a history channel. It's not a grammar channel, right? It's not a pronunciation channel. It's not a math channel, right? You guys know what this is. It's a knife channel. All right, I think that's going to be pretty much it. I hope you guys are excited about this. Thanks again to everybody for helping me reach 60,000 subscribers. That day is coming very soon. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram. By the way, you can buy this knife. I will link it right down below. I should have said that. You can buy this. It's available. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.